Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to italicize Markdown text. So we'll start off by creating a new Markdown cell. And for this cell, we'll add a quote. So the only way to learn a new programming language is by writing programs in it. And this is a quote by Dennis Ritchie. So if we run this cell as is, there is no formatting here for the output. And so if we wanted to just italicize the name, we can add an asterisk before and after the last character, which needs to be in italics. And so if we run this, this is now in italics for the name. Now there is an alternative way to italicize Markdown text. So we'll recreate this quote, and then we'll again italicize just the name. So the alternative here is to add a underscore before and after the last character, which needs to be in italics. So then we add another underscore after the E for Richie. And once we run this, we can see that both instances for the quotes, the name here is now in italics. So this is how to italicize text in Markdown.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.